just a baby.
Today we're having farm day for the 4-year-olds.
They are able to pet animals. They are learning about the animals in the classrooms. We have the food truck from Greenville County Schools that's giving them some cotton candy snacks.
Eggs come from chickens.
Children don't really understand anymore where farms grow food for us and where the animals live on the farms. Some kids are never going to get to experience it again. It'll be their real life experience with things from the farm.
For the last month or so, the teachers have been planning intentional lessons. They've been learning about the animals, the sounds the animals make.
Getting them to experience the farm firsthand allows them to learn hands-on, and that's the best way kids learn. Get out, experience it.
What type of animal is that?
A horse.
So some of the students didn't even know what a goat was. They thought the goat was the cow. So it's really important that they learn about all the different aspects of the world.